guys, Pancakes 13, and today's video is going to be a fun DIY first time that I'm actually trying it out myself. I'm gonna be making Oreo stuffed pancakes, so I'm so excited to be making them for the first time. I've been dying to make them for like the past week now, so please share this video with your friends and family so that way you could share along with them this really yummy looking Oreo pancake recipe. Give this video a huge thumbs up for more cooking videos, and check the description box down below for discount codes, discount links. So yep, let's get started with the video. We're gonna be using the gluten-free King Arthur Baking Company all-purpose baking mix. It says that it's perfect for pancakes, biscuits, and waffles. So right here, we're gonna be making pancakes. Okay, so it says that we're gonna be needing 1 cup of this flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of sugar, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter or oil. I guess that will be for when we're putting them on the skillet, so that way they don't get stuck onto the pan. We're gonna need 1 cup of milk and a half teaspoon of vanilla. That's optional. This is 1 cup. We're going to be using the Clabber Girl baking powder. The baking powder is to make the pancakes super fluffy. Here we're going to be using brown sugar because it's healthier. And I'm just going to be doing the half a teaspoon. Here I'm going to like kind of eyeball it, you know, because sugar is like optional to however sweet you want. So I'm just going to be doing in 4 half teaspoons, even though the recipe says to do just 1 tablespoon. It says 1 large egg. Are you the type of person that every time that you touch something wet in the kitchen, you just need to wash your hands in between? Because I am like that. I'm gonna be using 1 cup of milk and then half a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm a big eyeballer, so I'm just gonna be eyeballing the vanilla, and then I'm gonna be adding the 1 cup of milk.
I heard chefs talk about how this type of measure is for dry ingredients. Meanwhile, like for wet ingredients, that's when you use a cup. I'm gonna add a bit more milk so that way my pancakes are a bit runnier, because I like runny pancakes when I pour them in my... I'm just gonna eyeball them, but yeah, that's my suggestion, just eyeball it. And you know how when you put like pancake mix on a skillet, it's very runny? That's what I want. Yeah, I want runniness, so that way it's like soft and gooey pancakes. I don't like firm pancakes. So that was probably like 1/4 cup of milk.
And I'm gonna be spraying in my Crisco butter no stick spray, and then I'm gonna be greasing it up because pancakes just taste better when they're buttery. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour my little 1/4 cup measure, and I'm gonna be grabbing like probably like this amount. Okay, I think the pan is hot enough. Look, we want our pancakes to be runny. Gonna place our little Oreo right here in the middle. And then we're just gonna be covering that up. We're just gonna need a little bit more. Just to cover up the Oreo. Try to form it, like shape it before like it fully cooks. Look, it looks like a little egg. You can flip it. Wow. Okay, got it. We flipped it. Okay, so that's pretty. Let's see if it's cooked. Let's flip it. Yeah. And it's so fluffy. So the more baking powder you add, that means more fluffiness. Okay, got the first one. Look, the Oreo is like soggy since it is cooked.